Hello, dear friends. Today I'll share with you 100-year-old Japanese anti-aging secrets. Natural cucumber masks that erase wrinkles, lighten dark spots, and refresh tired skin. Cucumber is rich in vitamins C and K, minerals, and natural antioxidants. It soothes, tightens pores, reduces puffiness, and gives the skin a youthful glow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty secrets. Let's start by blending a fresh cucumber until smooth. First recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of cucumber paste. Add 1 teaspoon of oatmeal. It gently exfoliates and softens the skin. Then add 1 teaspoon of milk. It brightens and moisturizes. Benefit: this mask smooths fine lines, lightens dark spots, and leaves your skin soft and glowing. How to use: apply the mask to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands with gentle motions. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool water. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Friends, write in the comments which city you are watching us from. Second recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of cucumber paste. Add 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. It deeply nourishes and helps firm the skin. This mask rejuvenates, softens wrinkles, and improves skin elasticity. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then cool water. Moisturize after. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of cucumber paste. Add a few drops of lemon juice. It brightens the skin and reduces pigmentation. This mask refreshes, tones, and lightens dull skin. How to use: apply to your face, neck, and hands with light tapping motions. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse well with warm water, then cool water. Finish with moisturizer. Use once or twice a week. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Fourth recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of cucumber paste. Add 1 teaspoon of yogurt. It moisturizes, soothes, and gently exfoliates. Benefit: this mask calms the skin, removes dryness, and makes it supple and radiant. How to use: apply evenly on your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fifth recipe: take 1 tablespoon of cucumber paste. Add 1/2 teaspoon of Vaseline. It seals in moisture and smooths fine lines. This mask deeply hydrates, prevents wrinkles, and restores softness. How to use: spread a thin layer on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 20 minutes. Wipe gently with a warm, damp cloth, then rinse with warm water, then cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe: take 1 tablespoon of cucumber paste. Add a few drops of mint oil. It cools, tones, and refreshes the skin. This mask energizes tired skin, tightens pores, and gives an instant glow. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Finish with moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times per week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.